So hey guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. So today, uh, I'm gonna show you guys how to make something related to this, which is a paper cube. So guys, here today I'm gonna show you how to make an origami cube. So guys, there are many tutorials actually related to origami cubes on YouTube. Uh, so yeah, there are many tutorials on origami cubes in YouTube, but then today I'm going to show you how to make this 2 by 2, and sadly which doesn't move because it's firstly an origami, and you can make 2 by 2 cubes which do move origami, but then now I'm going to show you a simple cube which you can just gift it to someone or just keep it with you like like a thing. So yeah guys, so before making an origami 2 by 2, so first I came up with this one. So this one I just made it. So this was an origami 2 by 2, which turned out to be not that good. As you can see, it's full of tape, so it didn't turn out to be that good. But then now, which I'm gonna show you guys, it's gonna be really good. So now yeah, let's get into the video. So guys, first for making an origami 2 by 2, you'll need some paper, a sketch pen, black, and a scale if possible. So guys, these were some old origami papers. These I found somewhere in my drawers. These were my old origami papers. So now we're gonna make a 2 by 2 out of it, guys. So first, what you're gonna do is you have to take one origami sheet, then you have to fold that into a half like that, and once you're done with that, okay, one second, yeah, and once you're done with folding this paper in half, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna open it, and then you're gonna fold it this side. I'm gonna fold it this side into another half, and yeah guys, once you're done with that also, your paper should look something like this. So there should be 4 lines on your paper like this, one line here, one line here. That means you should fold one half here and then the other half like this. Okay, so yeah, so guys, after you have that, you have to take one of this edges. So you're gonna take this edges and fold it in the center crease which is there right here like that. Okay, you have to fold it to the center like this, and this one also you're gonna do the same. And yeah, if you're done with that one correctly, then that's okay. Okay, so guys, if you're done with that, really good. Okay guys, so now if you have something like that, your paper should look something like this, and then okay, so guys, now what you want to do is you can find this little line over here, right? This little line, you have to fold this on that little line, and just like that. Okay, something like that, and then you want to fold this piece there, something like that. Yeah, till that line, then you're gonna fold this off like this. So guys, you want to have something like this by the end. So yeah, there you go. So now you have to do the same with all these papers. Okay guys, so after you have done the same with all your papers, you're gonna get them, and then now what you want to do is, so you can see something like a square grid here. So you're gonna draw one black line on this and one black line on this. So let me show you guys. open this pen. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. So we're gonna draw it like that. Draw something like that. And now till here you're gonna draw one more line. Okay. Till there you're gonna draw one more line. Just like that. And you will have something like this now. So yeah, you should do the same with all papers. Okay guys, so now if you have all your papers ready, okay, so now if you have all your papers ready, so you're gonna take, so first you're gonna take one paper like this, and let's say you have this paper, then we are gonna insert it in this thing like this. And now as you can see, we have a little pocket like thing over here, which I'm gonna insert this piece. Okay, so as you can see there, we got something like kind of structure of a cube. So we're gonna insert it like that, and similarly you can see your top pocket here, in which you're gonna insert this color paper. Just gonna go there, and then just gonna fold this like that. That's it. Now you can see that these two pockets are there, in which we're gonna insert this, and similarly you do it with the last piece. So guys, after you're done this much with 5 blocks, you can see on the top that you can just insert one piece in this pocket and this pocket, so just do that. And guys, you can see that this last piece right here goes in this pocket. You're just gonna insert it like that. Just don't want to do anything except that, and then you can see that our cube is done. So yeah, there you go. So guys, that's it. Our cube is done. So guys, if you like this video again, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you guys in my, oh look at this. Okay guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, peace. Okay, okay. Bye. Okay guys, I forgot to tell you one important thing. Please do seal this corners nicely, and yeah, that's it. Okay. Okay guys, bye. Bye.